How to BUI $HEI Heima token crypto coin. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice, and I'm not a professional or economic expert. Please do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Step 1. Ensure you have an Ethereum wallet. To begin, you need a wallet that supports Ethereum-based tokens. I recommend using MetaMask, a popular browser extension wallet. Download MetaMask from the official website, MetaMask. Set up your wallet and make sure you have ETH in your wallet to pay for transaction fees, gas fees. Step 2. Add the HEI token to your wallet. Once your wallet is ready, you need to add the HEI token to your MetaMask. Open MetaMask and select the Ethereum network. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of MetaMask and choose Import Tokens. Select Custom Token. Paste the HEI token's contract address into the Custom Token address field. You should be able to find the contract address on the official project website or token listing. Once the token details show up, click on Next and then Import to add the HEI token to your wallet. Step 3. Visit a decentralized exchange, DEX. To purchase the HEI token, you'll likely need to use a decentralized exchange, DEX, like Uniswap or SushiSwap, that operates on the Ethereum network. Go to Uniswap or a similar DEX platform. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the DEX by clicking Connect Wallet on the DEX interface. Choose Ethereum as the network. Step 4. Select HEI token and swap. Once your wallet is connected to the DEX, find the HEI token by using the contract address. You may need to paste it into the search box. Choose the token you want to swap for HEI, e.g., USDT, ETH. Enter the amount you want to swap for HEI. Step 5. Confirm the swap. After entering the amount, review the transaction details carefully. Check how much HEI you will receive for your swap. Confirm the transaction by clicking on Swap. Approve the transaction in MetaMask and pay the necessary gas fees.